everyone, my name is Annie. Today we will make sausage octopus. To make sausage octopus, we will need the sausage, hot cake mix powder, ketchup, and milk. Let's start. First, we will cut the sausage with the knife. These will be the octopus legs. Be careful, don't cut your fingers. We need to cut 3 times to make 6 legs. Look, like this. We will prepare the dough. I will put the hot cake mix powder into the bowl. Add ketchup, and the milk. And mix them together. Mix them very gently. Okay, that's it. And now we will put the sausage into the dough. This will be octopus head. Look, like this. This dough like bird's beak. It's too long and like elephant's trunk. Now let's fry it. Go, octopus! Look, here comes the octopus. The sausage octopus is done. They smell so good. I think they are very yummy. Let's decorate them. I used the cheese to make octopus eyes and mouth. And I used the seaweed to make eyeballs. Let's put it on. Okay. Then the mouth. There. It's very cute. Let's decorate the others. Look, we finished. I'm going to take a bite. Which one? You! いただきます。It's very yummy. Have a try by yourself. goodbye.